At Model Cleaners, precision meets innovation. Behind every pressed shirt and folded suit is a powerful automation system, the Metalprogetti storage conveyor with Autobagger. Each garment is tagged, scanned, and placed onto the conveyor. From there, Metalprogetti takes over, identifying the customer, sorting each piece, and assembling full orders with total accuracy. Everything runs through smart software that tracks every item in real time, improving efficiency and reducing labor. For model cleaners, this isn't just automation, it's the engine behind their promise of quality and speed. The rotating storage system maximizes space and keeps everything organized, handling thousands of pieces a day with ease. Once an order is complete, garments pass through the Autobagger, sealed, labeled, and ready for pickup or delivery. It's fast, clean, and consistent. This is modern dry cleaning, powered by Metalprogetti.